Okay, what is up, everybody? It's Kit Trades here, and so it's the end of the trading day. What's up, guys? It's Kit Trades. Thanks for clicking on the video. So, real quick, I want to go over what's in the video. I day trade with a Delorean strategy for one of my first times for a full day, and I break down each of my 11 plays in this video. I made lots of mistakes, ended up losing a little bit of money today. Completely avoidable. It could have been a very profitable day. So, watch this video. Please watch this video, look at my mistakes, and then don't make them. Watching this video alone can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Actually started out having a really good day, and then I kind of fucking folded. But let's go through all of my trades today and my mistakes so that way you guys can, like I said, do better. So here's my first trade of the day. Actually, for reference, I had 12, 13, 14 trades today, which is like way too many. So that's how you know I'm doing something wrong. But anyway, I'm using the Delorean strategy. So here we go. So trade one was a good trade. We had a bearish RSI, and we went on this purple candle. I'm not counting this trade, so let's remove that. This is my first trade of the day. I had a purple candle. Okay, I had the bearish D-Sig, which is my Delorean signal, and I had a bearish divergence. I entered this trade. I won. So I had a bearish D-Sig, a purple candle, and a bearish divergent, which makes this a perfect trade. All right. Moving on. I lost this trade, so I did have purple candles. I did have a bearish D-Sig, and I had a previous bearish divergence. So bearish D-Sig, bearish candles, and I had a previous bearish divergence. So, there's not much you can do. This is by the book a good trade, but I lost. Okay, trade 4 is right here. Same thing. I had well, the problem with this one is I kind of had mixed candles where I entered. Um, and I didn't really have a clear divergence to make a continuation trade. So I kind of jumped the gun here. I had mixed candles. I had a bearish Delorean signal from back here, and I had a bearish divergence here. But yeah, it's a little tricky because if you look with this candle from here to here, there's just not much divergence. Obviously, that's downward sloping, and so I don't know. Just jumped the gun a little bit. I could have waited for it to come up in here, and then if I would have placed that trade here, I would have won. So I messed up. This is where that divergence happened. You see, so you really would have wanted to get like up here. Now that would have been an orange candle, so could have been a little suspicious. But with the divergence and the pullback, that probably would have been a good one. Either way, I missed that, and I took another L, as you can see here. And then to the next one is here. So this is my fifth trade. I had green candles, and I entered a sell position. That was my number one mistake here. I had a bearish D-Sig from back here, Delorean signal. And I also had a bearish divergence, here. But my mistake was I'm entering a sell on green candles. Don't do that. Took a third L in a row there. Normally, if I lost another one, I would have stopped trading in a row. But luckily, I had the next one was a win. And you can see I had green candles. I had a green Delorean signal from here. And I had a bullish divergence here. So this is a perfect trade. That was a win. So if I was only taking perfect trades at this point, I would have taken my first perfect trade and won. And then I would have taken a perfect trade and lost. And then I would have just taken this perfect trade and won. Obviously, that's not the case here. Next situation, I come here. I have purple candles. So we're going for sell. And we also have purple D-Sigs or Delorean signals. So that's a good indication of a sell. However, if you check the divergence of this candle here, so you can only check this way, but essentially there's not much of a divergence. I don't know. It's like you essentially could have taken this here, I guess, right, on this signal. You would have looked back though and you'd have been like, well, our last was green, so you wouldn't have taken this, right? I don't even know why I did. Doesn't make any sense. There's a green divergence here. This is just a very bad trade, and I lost. My mistake here was not reading the divergences correctly. Trade 8, silly trade. I broke even though, thank God. But same thing, I had a purple candle, but I had a bullish divergence still. I don't know why I entered again. And then I had a bearish DSIG. Luckily, I was able to break even here, but yeah, I got to check the divergences. There's obviously several green divergences. I think I'm gonna go next trade 9. I had a green divergence right here. I had a bear DSIG here, and I was on orange candles, so I have no. I think I was trying to catch it, pulling back and dumping down, but with a green thing here and the bear. See, I had the bear and I was going off that, but I was on orange candles and I had a green divergence, and that's why I lost this trade. Okay, so that's another freaking L. You come to the next one. I placed 2 trades. I broke even on this one and I won this one, so this was pretty good. So here you'll see this was my first enter. I had a green DSIG. Okay, we're on green candles and I have a green divergence, so I entered here. Obviously right after I enter I get this this sell divergence, but I'm already entered, so whatever, I'm holding that. And then when I come down here it retests and I get another green divergence with green candles with a green Delorean. I entered this trade. Both of these are perfect trades, and I win. I think this one. Yeah, because I actually have this set to 44. I win this one, or 46. And this one I break even on. Really close to winning. If I would have got it in a better spot, see, I got it here. I mean, obviously you can't control that stuff, but if I would have got it, on like the small retest here, whatever, I would have got it. But again, you can't control those things all the time. Going on to my next trade, trade 11. Where are we at? Right here, take a W. We have a green candles. Obviously, we enter here, we have green candle. We have a green DSIG, and we have a green divergence. Perfect trade, and we win. Okay. We have a few more here. 2 more L's right here. 2 L's I take. Both fundamental issues. First of all, this first L, I traded an orange candle, not a green or purple candle. I traded a green. Oh, let me see. Yeah, I was trading up. So I traded a orange candle up, not a green candle. I was trading on a green divergence. And so I had a green divergence and a green DSIG, but I'm trading on an orange candle. Same with this one. I had a green divergence, green DSIG, and I didn't even check. If you check, I actually have these divergences here. These are negative. These are red divergences. So I had a red divergence, the wrong color candles, the wrong divergences. Obviously, I lost both trades. So big L's today. You can see that I came out 7-5, 7 wins, 5 losses. Each win I got 1.5 times my gain. 7 losses, I obviously lose, whatever. So I think for the day I did end up slightly profitable. I think I can check. Yeah, I mean, I basically ended up right where I left off. Let's see if this will show us. Nope, yeah, I lost $38 today. So I went down 0.3%. Not too bad. If you take into account, I literally had like so many terrible L's, and like many good wins. But so obviously all you gotta do is just improve and move on.